Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect QuickBooks to TurboTax. First, it is essential to prepare your QuickBooks data. Make sure all your income and expenses are accurately recorded and categorized. Assigning tax lines to your accounts within QuickBooks helps streamline the transfer process significantly. This initial step ensures that your financial information is organized and ready for a smooth import into your tax software, saving you valuable time later on. Next, let's look at exporting your data from QuickBooks. For QuickBooks desktop users, simply open your company file and ensure all tax lines are correctly assigned. If you use QuickBooks Self-Employed, you can utilize the built-in tax checklist and then select the Send to TurboTax feature. For most QuickBooks Online users, you will typically import directly into TurboTax Online, choosing QuickBooks as your data source, which is a very straightforward process. Now, let's move to importing your financial information into TurboTax. Begin by opening your tax return in TurboTax. Look for the File menu, then select Import, and choose from Accounting Software. You will then be prompted to select QuickBooks as your source. TurboTax will guide you through a few simple on-screen steps to locate and confirm your QuickBooks data file, making the transfer of your financial records quick and efficient. Finally, after importing your data, it is crucial to thoroughly review everything within TurboTax. Take your time to check all income, expenses, and business details to ensure they transferred accurately. Verify that the information appears on the correct tax forms and schedules. If anything looks incorrect or is missing, you can make adjustments directly in TurboTax. This final review step is vital for ensuring the accuracy of your tax return before you file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.